What is included in our educational material? You'll get a VIP link to our website and the contacts of everyone here. You'll also get carpet cleaning training. It's been updated recently. This will teach you how chemistry applies to carpet cleaning. You'll also learn Fiber ID because without this, you'll mess something up pretty bad. You learn how to connect and disconnect hose. You learn some industry lingo, what particular things are called, what the QDs are called. You learn about the jets and how you can control your heat and your pressure from just the jets alone. You'll also learn why spots come back and what you can do so they don't come back. And if they do come back, what to do. You learn how to prime a machine. You learn the 5 most important things you need to do now. You learn how to use a wand properly. You learn employee training, and you'll see the job from beginning to the end and all of the steps and processes. You learn the best method of commercial carpet cleaning marketing. You'll also learn what the customer's mind thinks and how to appease them. You learn the next level of marketing, which teaches you how to increase your ticket. And you learn different kinds of marketings, different ways of marketing. You learn how wood floor is cleaned and finished, how to test the wood floors to see if it'll take your finish, and also be able to generate a good price. How to clean leather, how to identify the different types of leathers, learn what the fastest growing floor covering is and has been for the last 5 years, how to clean it and refinish it. You'll also get links to 2 of the classics that started it all. How to clean tile and grout using a truck mount or portable. Advanced spot and stain. You'll get an IICRC carpet cleaning manual. You'll get a IICRC upholstery cleaning manual. And you'll also get all the steps with a video so you can understand how to clean upholstery correctly. You get the PowerPoint. You'll learn a duct cleaning job from beginning to end. You'll get different kinds of pricing. You will get the average price in the entire country for carpet, upholstery, tile, grout. You'll also learn pressure washing pricing, how that's done. You'll get sample invoices for pressure washing that you can use with your logo put on it. You'll get a pet order article and understand the importance of how to tap into the pet urine removal business. Pre-made carpet cleaning invoices that you can put your logo on. Advanced pricing, how to price even the largest job. An actual employee manual with all the rules that you're going to need for your new employees that you will hire. How we recruit employees and where to find the best employees. You'll also get a certificate when you're done and some discount to the website.